Hello students, my last video was interrupted due to some technical issue. So with that continuation, just follow this video and watch my videos sequentially, okay? If it is interrupted at the end, you will find the continuation in the next video, okay? Okay. What is the total area removed? This area we have find out 772, this area again 772 plus 3. Now, so this will be the total area removed, area of this circle plus area of this circle for area of this rectangle. Just add it. You know, you can add this 77, half of 77 plus half of 77 will get 77. Okay, add this. LCM what it will be? 2 and then up it is 77 plus 77. Rest this one is 3, leave it. Then add it. आप हार जाओगे चलो नेक्स्ट सो लेट्स ऐड इट व्हाट इट विल बी इतना धीरे लिख 147 154 divided by 2 plus 3 gives 77 plus 3 okay and then this will be the total area removed okay this is the total area removed and total area we had what was the area of full circle okay area of full circle what it is pi r square gives 22 by 7 what is the radius 4 what it is 10 question number 10 the radius question number 10 the radius is 14 into 14 okay to 44 into 14 just multiply it this is the total area we had let's multiply just fast okay this is total area so area left area remaining okay total area 616 minus area removed which is 80 okay just subtract this so just subtract it you will get 536 centimeters square area left. The next question, a square aluminum sheet is given of side 6 centimeter and it is said that a circle is removed from this aluminum sheet okay circle is it is not said that from which side or from where it is removed it's just removed you can draw the circle anywhere remove the circle from anywhere let's remove it from this side of radius 2 centimeter okay then assume that a circle from here is removed okay now so area of circle removed area of aluminum sheet first you find this aluminum sheet okay what area we had already okay this area of aluminum sheet we had side square okay what is the value of side 6 square 36 okay 36 centimeter square area sheet we had what area we removed which area is removed circle area what is the area of that area removed circle 2 centimeter pi r square okay so pi so 3.14 into r radius 2 into 3.14 into 4 so the area removed is this much multiply this you will get this value this area is removed so area remaining okay which area is remaining total area what we had 36 minus what is removed this area is removed so how much is left you can just subtract it if you don't know the subtraction look this 36 minus 12.56 okay 12.56 here decimal value 36.0 10 minus 6 it's 4 9 minus 5 is 4 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. It's 24.44. Okay, 24.44. In the next question, circumference is given. We are asked to find the radius and area. Okay, circumference is given this much. What is circumference? 2 pi r. How much it is given? 31.4. 2 pi 3.14 r 31.4. So r is equal to 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14. Okay, similar values, just in the place of decimal is different. Okay, remove the decimal from both sides, remove from here, and we get 100. Remove from here and we get 110. 314 314 deducted, the 0 0 cancelled, 10 by 2 5. So radius equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. What is the value formula for area? Pi r square. So 3.14 into 5 into 5. So 3.14 into 25. Just multiply it. 31425. So this is the value we got. Then decimal is in before 2 place. So 2 place 78.50 is the area, centimeter square. Okay. In the next question, there is a circular flower bed. Okay, this is a flower bed, and then it is surrounded, it has flower, okay, on it. Okay, this is a garden which has flowers. Okay, and it is surrounded by a path. Okay, it's a path to walk. Okay, people are walking here. Okay, and this path is 4 meter wide, and this park is 66 meter diameter it has. Okay, understood? This diameter is 66 meter, and so radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is 33 meter. Okay, and this is 4 meter. Path width is given. Okay, how much? 4 meter. And we are required to find the area of the path, means this area. How will find out this area? We'll take the whole area and subtract this area. Okay, area of big circle, area of circular bed with path. Okay, path के साथ क्या area है? The circular bed or the circular bed with path. What is the area? Total area will find. This area we are finding. Okay, so for this area, what is pi r square? So for with this area we are finding this circle, so we need a radius of this circle. Okay, from center to the boundary of this circle, this radius we need. What will be this radius? This small circle radius is 33, and this path is 4 meter. So this radius complete will be 33 plus 4. What it is? 37. Pi, how much we have to take? 3.14 as pi, and r square will be 37. 37 into 37. Okay, just solve it, you'll get the complete area. Okay, just actually don't solve it, just keep it like this with 3.14. I'll tell you later why. And then area of circular bed, we have taken this complete area and this, now this area. We will subtract this area from this complete area. So circular bed only we will take now. Area of circular bed, pi r square, we have to take pi as 0.14. And what is the radius of this circular bed? 33. Half of 66, 33 into 33. Okay, now area of path. Area of path, what it will be? You know, this complete area minus this area will give this area. Okay, area of path, complete area is this much. Multiply this. Okay, so we have multiplied it here. 37 into 37, this value is coming, and 33 into 30, this value is coming. Okay, complete area is 3.14 into 1369 and minus this circle, small circle area, okay, small circle area, this will be minus, subtracted, what it is, 3.14 into 1089. So calculation will be easy, so because you can take it common, 3.14 is common, okay, 3.14 is common. What is common in this and this? 3.14, we'll take it out, and then we'll get 1369 minus 1089, okay. So 3.14 into, just subtracted, 9 minus 9, 0, 6 minus 8, 8, 2 minus 0, 2, 1. Just multiply it. So after solving it, we have got the answer, okay. Just multiply this and you will get this, okay. Now proceeding to the next question, 14th.